Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to start one new playlist on this channel where I will create videos which will be related to iOS development tips and tricks. So these videos basically help you in fast development of the iOS applications. So let's get started and see. So as you can saw on the thumbnail that today we are going to see how you can document your code in iOS development. So here you can see that I have just created one new project, and in that you can see that this is the basic template which we get, and below that I have just created one struct which is called credentials, and inside that we just have two properties, that is email and password, and I have created one initializer for that. But currently if I click on this initializer, you can see here under the quick help section that email and password doesn't have any description. So currently this struct is not documented properly, so anyone who is coming to this project, he will be having no idea that why this struct is used. Basically this is credential, so it is self-explanatory, but if there is some different name, then he will be confused that what is this struct is used for. So for that we need to document this. But during your development you must have heard that someone somewhere must have told you that your code must be self explanatory or self documenting, but I will say that you should never listen to that person, because here in iOS development Xcode will give you direct option to add documentation for your methods or for your classes also. So the trick is here, you have to select option command and slash all three together. So if I click on all three together like this code is generated by Xcode for you, where you can see here you can give your description for main this initializer, then below that you can give description for your email and password. But Xcode here default giving some description like email description, password description. So now if I select this initializer, you can see here it is giving me this default values, but you can write your own description here. So I will say my email field description. Like this I will again copy this and paste it down here to save the time, and instead of email I will say password, and here I will say initializer for credentials. And now if I select this initializer, and now here you can see that here it is getting summary initializer for credentials. Also on email it is saying that my email. So whatever the description you have given here, it is going to be reflecting here under the quick helps inspector. Also if you go here inside any of the class and you try to create a object for this credential, so let's say I will call cred object, and if I say credentials here, and now if I select like this and email and password, now if I click here you can see it is also giving me the description here. So this is how you can document your code very easily. So that's all guys, I want to show in today's video. So if you have learned something new, make sure you hit the like button, which will encourage me to create more videos like this, and in future I will create more videos like this under the new playlist which will be inside here, and the playlist name will be tips and tricks, and there I will share more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new. Bye, take care.